Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else knows what to do.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. And usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option, due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, would you just put your sweats on for me? Yeah.
Okay, another vlog, another haul. So I've been out for shopping, so I want to do like a quick haul because I'm going to see the mob. I got Smashbox, I got snacks. So this is numbers. I love numbers, so every time nikienda shopping lazima ni buy numbers. And then these are different brands for Chebda. I also love Chebda, but I'm yet to settle on one brand, so I got the small ones, Noriele Granite and Bamba, and then that's what I will settle on. I got Indomie, I got popcorn maize, I got smoky, I got biscuits. They really have sana siku zenye I don't feel like cooking, I can just have biscuits. I got yogurt. This is fresher. I want to try this and see how it actually go for me. I got spaghetti and I went for this brand Butterfly. Of course, because they are 3 na kulikuwa na price reduction. Of course, like kena vitu ziko bundle hivi, of course there is a price reduction. So that's why I went for them. I got juice. Yeah, last time I kuisha, but I went for this brand this time. Pep, mango, water. I buy pieces mingi, I didn't even know. I got 5 pieces. So last time I bought Keringet, but this time I buy Hey brand. I went for Waba ice cream, Draco, curry and spice. It was 85 shillings only. And then I got cubes. Let me arrange this to wherever they're supposed to go, and then we will talk later. Bye.
I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will.
Hi, so this is minutes later. I'm just from picking my delivery because I'm so tired. Baby, I've had a long day. That's something I haven't told you. Anyway, I love the fact that they deliver on time. They said by 19:15, and by 19:15 by the I received the call from these guys. Welcome from this Glovo guy and question. So I want to show you guys something in buy low for my house. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for this. Let me show you like real quick. Yeah, I have gotten that. That's a TV stand you may buy. I needed more storage, by the way, like besides the fact that it's a TV stand.
You get the bag and fumble it, I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight off the lot, 300 cash, and the car came with a blunt in it. Lil' mama a thot, and she got ass, and she gon' fuck up her bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast, jumping the stack. In Italy, got 2 foreign hoes, they be on me. Draw the top, when it's cold, but you feel the heat. Be real with me, keep it 100, just be real with me. Eat it up like it's a feast. They say the dope won't flee.
Percocet pill on me. I saw my nigga, baby, chill with me. Them niggas that fucked in the back don't say nothing. Them niggas that kill for me. Back as I can in my sleep, on fleek. And they can spit on that patty for me. Bitch, I'm a dog in my tree. Hop out the frog and leap. I put them bricks in the fender. My bitch, she walk around like she Christiana. I used to break in the ammo. Then take her running like the game of Temple. It's simple, I play with a mantle. Mama said she saw me on Jimmy Kimmel. Canada, cause I'm a murder symbol. Walking with the rats, I'm looking crippled. Fuck on that bitch, then I temple. A nickel for me to take pictures. Not from LA, but I clip her. Double my cup or a triple. Boss on my body, no biblical. I'm not your average or typical. Look at my wrist and it's critical. Hold it up, dropping the temperature. I get that bag on the regular. I got a bag on my cellular. Back in the bag of them vegetables. Bag of them cookies, it's medical.
I just arrived in the office. Today's on Monday. Happy New Week. So I'm having this for breakfast, me and my workmates. I'm so excited. It's really hot Vizuri, so I just want to have my breakfast like right now. The traffic is still so tough, but anyway, at least now I've made it on time. I want to have my breakfast and then I get right into work. Happy New Week, happy new month. Have a good one. Bye.
Codeine, etc. Cocaine and lean and sterile. I take off landing on Nebula. As a net when the M's on my schedule.
You get the bag and fumble it. I get the bag and flip it and tumble it. Straight off the lot, 300 cash. And the car came with a blunt in it. Lil' mama a thot, and she got ass. And she gon' fuck up her bag. Pull up to the spot, living too fast. Dropping the stash. In Italy, got too foreign hoes, they be on me. Draw at the top, when it's cold, but you feel the heat. Be real with me, keep it 100, just be real with me. Eat it up like it's a feast. They say the dope won't flee. I know these niggas get sick of me. They chasing my niggas.
Hi, so let me show you guys the dress that I wore to work today. Yeah, I was in this dress. But this week I'm wearing dresses. Today's on Tuesday. Yesterday was on Monday. I was in a dress. Today's on Tuesday. I'm in a dress. It's messing up with the quality. Today, as you just saw from the records, I was reading my book, but then I'm done with it. I completed. The goal was to complete it today, and I have. So I need to look for another book. This is the book that I was reading. I had fish and ugali before I left the office, so I'm very much full. So I just want to have snacks and relax and sleep. Yeah.
Let me rap to you real quick. I want to enjoy the luxury of life, not knowing each other for real. Hold up.
Today, oh my god, February, this month is taking me at 100 million kilometers per hour. Yeah, exactly, but we are going to make it. Anyway, I'm in a dress today. I've been in a dress the whole week though, so like below peke, so I'm trying to talk like in a hurry because unajua like niko peke yangu kwa office and I don't want like someone to just barge in and then anipate I'm talking to myself in the washroom. Anyway, yeah, so that's what's up. I'm just here to like catch up with you guys real quick. I really want to have my off tomorrow, but I will just say about that. In case I do, I will let you guys know. I haven't been having enough sleep. There's been work at work. Adulting, I wish they prepared us for this. Anyway, yeah, so that's what's up. Let me get back to my seat and then we will talk later. Bye.
This little last on the wisdom tooth. Niggas wishing that pussy was a kissing booth. Taste breakfast, lunch, and gin and juice. And at dinner, just like this, it too.
It should come through. Yeah, so let me show you guys the dress that I was wearing today. I was in this dress. It's really long, haduko chini, and it has flowers like the whole of it, you see, like all this. Yes, so this is the dress that I was wearing to work today. I looked so good. I think my boss told me I looked so good. Anyway, yeah, so I'm just from work, ndo nimefika. I want to prepare supper. Do I really want to prepare supper? But I haven't been preparing supper. Oh, by the way, I did my nails. Yeah. They look so good. Naziliundwa within 30 minutes. But this is the quickest I've ever had my nails done. I think I'll be going there when I'm in a hurry or something. So work has been really good. Today I was arranging this board. It has like all the apartments, and then like I was actually organizing like which ones are sold out, which ones are available, and which ones are booked, like stuff like that. So work has been really good. It has been really packed, but I love being busy while at work because I feel like I'm being productive. Like, yeah, sasa nafanya kitu imenileta, you get. Yeah, so I'm not cooking. So I also got this food. It's kind of not presentable, sorry, but this is Indian food, by the way. My workmate alikuwa ameletewa with this friend of hers. So it was this is a spice, and then there was an egg, nini, like all cooked in an Indian way. So this is Indian rice. I don't really know how they call it. And then this, it kind of looks like chapati, but it's called parathi. Yeah, parathi. It's an Indian food. It's really nice. I gave it a test. It's really nice. So I'm going to warm this, and this is what I'm going to have for supper. And then I will take yogurts. Yeah, I will take yogurts. Yeah, so basically actually this vlog we have been doing shopping and just standing up on business when it comes to work. So apparently that's what has been going on in this vlog. I could say it's more of a relaxed vlog, just resetting and stuff. And yeah, I think I will end the vlog. So I hope you guys had a really good time with this vlog. So we'll catch up in my next vlog. Bye.
When I bite that lip, come get me too. You want lipstick, lip gloss,